Okay, so as you can see here, I added some resin right around here, and I'm going to go ahead and trim this down so we have a nice even black line going across there. I had a little bit of a gap over here. I didn't like that so much, so I just used a parting tool. They made a little groove there and filled that in with some black resin, and we'll see how that looks when we get done. Okay, so I got it sanded down to 400. Going to use a little denatured alcohol just to clean it up, which always gives you a good idea of what it's going to look like when it's done. And oak has a real pretty look to it. It may not be the flashiest around, but it is a nice looking wood. All right, next stage is the finish. Okay, so next thing is some Mylan sanding sealer, and we'll get a fair amount of that in there. I'm gonna do a quick little buff with the same cloth on the sanding sealer here. Of course, you can only see the inside, but I'm also going to come around here and do the outside. Got another cloth, a fresh cloth that I will use. Alright. There it is, our wood is all sealed. And now I just have to decide what type of finish I want to put on it. So we'll think that over for a minute. All right, so I decided to go with Old Reliable with Mylan's friction polish. I do like the way that this comes out all the time. Nice and simple to apply, and it does give a pretty nice finish over this sanding sealer. So this is what I'm going with. Alrighty, this first coat has a really nice shine to it, and that walnut centerpiece looks really good. I like the way that this finished up with the resin there, rather than having a little crack. You know, the lines weren't quite completely closed when I glued that in. So again, I just used a parting tool to make a little groove here, filled that in with resin, and that gives a nice finished look to it so that you don't see my little bit of mistake on the glue up. But overall, this thing is looking much better than I thought it would. So we'll go ahead and put some more coats on, bring you back when it's done. Okay, so I have 4 coats of friction polish on it. It looks really good. I'm going to finish up with some Axe Polish Restoring and give it a little more of a shine here, if I can. About as fast as I want to go. I'm at about 900 RPM here. Just letting that friction polish do its job. You can even see that it's got a little bit of a better shine now. And there it is, the finished bowl. All I have to do now is flip it on over, put it on the cold jaws, and do the bottom side of it, and we'll be done. basically doing the same thing. I put the sealer, the Mylan sealer, on there, and then I'm going to use the Axe abrasive paste here. So, take that puppy off there. Our bottom is done. There you go. What you can see there